Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I want to welcome to all my new viewers and welcome back all my subscribers. Well, it's almost like Christmas Eve. So here it is. I'm on the Virgin Galactic website. It says here, join the launch of a new space age. So we are exactly 24 hours and 19 minutes and 28 seconds from Sir Richard Branson taking off into suborbits of space. So I'm on the website. I may share this on Facebook, but this is a Virgin Galactic rocket ready to take off, and we are on the eve. This is exciting. Here's the whole space crew. They're going to take off tomorrow at 6 a.m. Pacific, 7 a.m. Mountain Time, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard. So this will be awesome. This is cool. From New Mexico. So this is awesome. Sir Richard Branson and his team, they'll be taking off tomorrow into suborbits of space, and we're going to find out about Virgin Galactic, the feeling, the unweightedness and suborbits. This is going to be cool. So this is tomorrow. It's exciting to see the billionaire Branson going to space. It's another accolade. Joint host Stephen Colbert, global superstar. Okay, he's going to be live streaming tomorrow for this event. This is exciting. And again, we're a little over 24 hours before a team of Virgin Galactic people take off. Okay, so this says why we go. Let's see here. Here's a spaceport spread across 27 miles. Spaceport America is our center of flight operation, the world's first purpose-built commercial spaceport. So it's almost like an airport, but it's taking you to space, a spaceport. Wow. Look at that. Look at that rocket. Silver, just awesome design. Takeoff. Our launches begin with a smooth runaway. Takeoff before our spaceship and mothership climb together to 50,000 feet, one of the past thickest layers of the atmosphere. Our ship doesn't require huge amounts of fuel to reach space. We call this energy efficient flight, like a ride on air launch. Okay, that's Virgin Galactic. Launch. Next, our pilot in space from our mothership. The space rocket ignites, sending the craft to space a little over a Mach 3. The colors outside the window change from blue to indigo to midnight black as you reach space and rocket motor switch off. Okay, wow. Apogee, nearly 300,000 feet above Earth. The cabin becomes your playground to unbuckle and experience weightlessness. The planets peer back through the ship's 17 windows as you see home for the first time. 16 cameras throughout the cabin. Wow, this is going to be great stuff tomorrow morning. Re-entry. Preparing for re-entry, the ship's wings raise up 60 degrees, and after the ship descends to the thick atmosphere, the wings are lowered and the pilot glides the spaceship to a smooth landing back on the same runway you took off. And just like that, you're home. So that is awesome. We're going to see all this in action tomorrow. The ship taking off and the suborbital views. This is awesome. And it's just a lot of experience on this team. So there's Sir Branson out looking. Virgin Galactic announces first fully crewed space flight. So there's no more going to be test engineers. This is a full space flight that's happening tomorrow within the next 24 hours. Exciting news. Virgin Galactic takes off to the moon. So let's take a look at the stock, how it's performed over the last 30 days. Here it is. It's been up and down. It's been up as far as $55.91 on June 5th. And then just last week it hit $52. So it's just been a record month. Awesome. And I really believe it can go to higher heights. And so this is going to be a proof of concept of average people taking off into space. And so here it is. You'd have gotten this stock back in June. You could have got it for $35 per share. Also, Richard Branson says he's got more good news once he returns from the flight. So we'll see. With this flight being successful alone, I believe this stock will shoot back up to $55 or $56 per share, but it could go higher. Now, remember, this stock is all excitement and all about engineering and kind of the opportunities that exist. So it's not going to be your regular fundamentals play where you're like, hey, they brought in X revenue. They don't have that much revenue right now. Each plane ticket, I think, is $200,000. You got some celebrities like Tom Hanks that have applied for tickets. Like I said, this stock has heights of $62.80. It says, here's some news from investors.com. Space stock falls ahead of Virgin Galactic test flight. The stock is just going to be a little bit of tiredness, but don't worry, this stock will jump again. This is not a value play. This is a growth stock. So this thing is jumping. The Virgin Galactic stock is soaring because investors are buying the rumor. This is true. Richard Branson's journey to space. This is from Yahoo Finance. So they mentioned that his upcoming venture, billionaire Branson set to space aboard Virgin Galactic rocket plane. So this is awesome. This is some of the finest engineering. Okay, so this happens tomorrow. There's something else I want to cover. Okay, let's just take a look at the technical chart really quickly. And as you can see, this thing is off the charts. Yep, just as I expected. This is way over its. This is where the stock is really where it's had a track record. So you're talking about this is where it should be, and we're way above it. And then as far as the relative strength index, I mean, it can go up a little higher, but this is its peak. So let's just say back on July 7th, it went above the relative strength index of 70, and that's when it hit $55. But it has cooled off. So even if it cools off, it's still going to be somewhere around here 40-ish. I don't think it's going to come back all the way down to 30, 31, or 35. But this is where we're at. This is where the technical charts look like here. Okay, that's the daily. Let's look at the weekly. Okay, it's looking the same. Weekly shows, okay, the weekly shows could fall as far as to $28 per share. But as you see, the candle is open And again, we know it's bumping up against this line. It's not quite there. And it could go either way. Of course, if the flight goes well, this thing's it's going to pop back over the relative strength index of 70. So that's Virgin Galactic. We're all waiting patiently. Like I said, this last month has been phenomenal. And also, I want to say that you have over 30s. I mean, this stock has dipped and it's come back. I mean, this is, $43 this week. It came back. This is awesome. Okay, so February hit its peak and it fell back down, fell as low as $16.18 per share. And then it slowly elevated up since May. So as we gotten closer to Sir Richard Branson, more good news has come out, and they have safely steered the stock back up to its all-time heights, or pretty close. I mean, $50, $55 per share back from May. This is just a phenomenal roller coaster. And like I said, this will be the first flight of a average American. And then in the following week, we have Bezos going to the moon, or going to the space as well. So I just wanted to bring this video to you because all the excitement. And like I said, we're within 24 hours of taking off to the moon, or taking off to the suborbits of space with Sir Richard Branson and the team. This is great. The first spaceport, commercial spaceport. And you can become an astronaut. This year, we'll be making a limited number of tickets available for future space flights. Take the leap with us as we go one step closer to filling the world with astronauts. Okay, so I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And please like, share, and leave comments below.